Buy now, 90% off.
Sale. Ultimate deals.
Grab a bottle of soda.
Okay, objective, the Bank of Stability. It's 5 blocks away. Just walk straight, don't stop. Needs first, wants later. Let's go.
Hey, kid, look. Don't just walk by.
Look at the deals.
Come on,
Bruh.
seriously, look.
Nope, don't need it. My phone works fine, shoes are fine. What the heck? What was that?
Hey, kid, what you got there? Hey. Hey, kid, nice tie, boring tie. You need a glitter tie, or a slushie. Hey, or a drone. Hey, look at this drone. Look at this drone.
Get out of my way, Imp. Move! Go! I have a plan.
Hey, kid. Oh! Ren, look at those graphics. You deserve it. You studied hard. Just put it on the credit card. Worry about it later. It's only $1,000.
Only $1,000. It does have 120 frames per second. No, focus.
Hey, come on. It's such a great deal. You know you need it.
No, that's a want, not a need. I need to save for the semester fees.
Yes! Buy it now! Think later! And feel good now!
Oh, we're playing hard to get? Fine. Release the shoppers. Zombie shoppers.
Buy it. You need it. Buy it now.
There's too many of them. I can't get to the bank. I can't let you drain my future. I summon the budget barrier.
All right, you asked for it. Release the algorithm.
BOGO. Flash sale. Urgent.
No! BOGO failed.
Emergency! You're trying to overload my decision-making with scarcity tactics!
It's on clearance, Ren. You're losing money if you don't buy it. Buy now. Time's running out.
Can't think. Too much noise. Whoa! The tornado of wants! It's too strong! The suction is draining the well! Can't go on! By the laws of liquidity, I summon the budget barrier! The path to wealth is rooted in knowledge. With knowledge comes power. With power, the ability to resist and determine your own future.
Huh? No refunds.
That was the Impulse Imp. He tries to hijack your brain with false urgency. Remember, a want feels like a fire. A need is just fuel. You have to know the difference. Next time you feel that rush to buy, just pause. Wait 24 hours. Your wallet will thank you. Let your budget be a barrier to that tornado of wants. Control your impulses, and you control your future. We are building an army of savers. Subscribe to join the resistance. See you in the next class. Finance Fury, the compounding adventure. Subscribe now to level up your life.